Welcome back to
Arena Adventures. This video, we traveled to Ohio Stadium in Columbus, Ohio for the first ever home playoff game. So much to do around the stadium.
True.
8 p.m. start, plenty of time. College game day was there starting at 9 a.m. Plenty of time for people to drink and party all day.
OH!
I.O.
How loud are you going to be tonight?
Pretty freaking loud. We're going to get rowdy here. We're going to beat the shit out of Tennessee right now. We're going to beat them asses. SEC ain't got nothing on Big Ten.
What do you think of all the orange here in town?
You know, there's a lot of them here right now, but they're not going to invade us. We got OH.
I.O. Night game in December. How cool is this?
Pretty cool. We got the big drone show going on tonight. We're going to win this shit. We're going to head on to California with the Rose Bowl.
Closer to the stadium. So much to do. It was insane.
That was kind of overwhelming with how much stuff there was to do. You definitely needed all day to see it all.
Granted, like we said, we were doing a day trip if we weren't, but there was just so much. Like every other corner had something going on, which was really awesome. With the parking lots being so far away, it was really cool that they shuttled us back and forth. Buses just lined up to take you right to the stadium, basically. Overall game day experience?
The game itself was incredible.
To the end of Ohio. If you do not know that our flag was still there, oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? This is who we are. Let's go, Bucks!
being to how many, probably over 100 games now.
Mhm.
This was by far the coolest.
The atmosphere
ever
was
done.
just off the charts.
So we had really good seats, but we didn't ever use them because we literally stood from the very start to the very end. We never sat down once. So very fun experience. I don't think you can ever beat a home college playoff game. The next round is going to be at a neutral site. The national championship is going to be at a neutral site. If you want to argue NFL playoff games are even more hype, I'm going to argue that there's 40,000 more fans at a college home playoff game. One of the coolest experience, definitely our coolest experience. I don't know that it can get any better than that because gameplay was in our favor. So a lot of fun, a lot of Tennessee fans, which was
There was, yeah.
surprising
It was
to
a
see.
good turnout. It made it fun.
We were told that with it being a college playoff game, little different rules on buying tickets. It didn't necessarily go to Ohio State fans. That's the reason why you saw so much orange as you did. And overall, I know we're biased because we're Ohio State fans, but I felt like there was no hatred in the stands. There was one fan, I think, said it well. He said, we're not rivals. We're Ohio State playing Tennessee, which you don't see every day. So it was kind of neat to see their game day experience, and they were excited to see our game day experience. And I think it was just overall very fun to have a new team come to Ohio and experience that on both sides. No hatred on either side.
No, everybody was just happy to be there.
Obviously, you're going to have your few exceptions. The drone show?
Yeah, underwhelmed.
So,
I mean, it was cool.
it was very hyped up about the drone show.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Yeah.
It's supposed to be the largest drone show ever.
So we heard. It was not.
Still cool.
It was very cool.
Definitely it'd be awesome if they could do that every game, but they oversold it.
And the only downside, too, is where they did it, because some seats you couldn't see.
Brings up a good point. Our Ohio Stadium, it's a 100-year-old stadium. There's going to be a lot of obstructions, just like Wrigley, just like Fenway. Those older stadiums, they have obstructions. Ohio State's one of those stadiums that are going to have obstructions. So if you're going to sit on the rotunda side, on the end zone, Ohio State has a giant white flagpole that is ginormous. One of our times that we went there, you're constantly staring at the flagpole in heaven to kind of do one of these when the ball goes to the left or the right after the flagpole gets in your way. The other time we went, we sat in section 229, which is the end of the horseshoe before they built on and enclosed it. So you have a giant concrete wall and you can't see the scoreboard. Keep that in mind. I believe it's either the B or the C deck. I'll add that information in there. You're going to have giant poles if you sit too far up. So I'll put all that information in there, but just know that there is obstructions when buying tickets to an Ohio State game. So one issue that I will say for the whole day is bathrooms. Waiting in line to use them in the tailgating area, outside of the stadium, and the live music venues. Inside the stadium, there's a line around the corner everywhere you go for a bathroom.
A line for the men's. Let's clarify.
Whatever. For the porta potties too.
That was a good time overall from start to finish.
Very long day for us. Very fun. Again, completely worth it.
Thank you for sticking with us and watching another one.
Rose Bowl, baby. OH.
IO.
Like, share, subscribe. Go Bucks.